Hello everyone. I'm going to make a chicken burger, but it would be good if I got the chicken. Holy moly. So I'm cooking a whole lot of things today, and I thought I would make chicken burgers. I've done chicken Parmesan burgers, which are excellent, and I'm in the mood for them as well, but I just made eggplant parm, so I'm gonna shake it up. And as you know, I cook 2 different ways for my husband and myself. So I have to keep the chicken burger recipe simple because he only likes, if you're watching me, I'm cutting up a scallion and peeling that outer slimy layer off. I'm gonna do 3 scallions. I'm doing my traditional turkey burger, chicken burger recipe that I like, that's healthy. And I'm going to take the tips off the greens. Garbage is back here. Here is my pack of ground chicken. This was $3.50. It is so good. It's good for you. It's got 25 grams of protein for 4 ounces. So I will make 4 good-sized burgers. And I'm actually going to use my pan that I just fried my eggplant in. There was just olive oil and a little bit of flour that was dripped off the eggplant. So I just figured, why not reuse it since the olive oil's there? I don't have to add any more oil. Can you see the food? I'm doing these 3 scallions into this. It's very plain. It's very good. My burger, what I'm going to make is a chicken Reuben burger out of mine. I just opened a can of sauerkraut. I want that for the probiotics. And I'm going to put Swiss cheese, sauerkraut, and I'm going to make my own. Oh, it would be nice if that was not in there. Very nice. I'm going to make my own Russian dressing and do it on a David's Killer Roll. Doesn't that sound good? I make it up, but there'll be 4 plain burgers. 1 pound of ground chicken, 3 scallions. That was a 1/4 cup of oats. That's the breading that binds it together. 1 egg. And I'm going to do a teaspoon of sea salt. Now, if I was doing it for me only, I would shred some zucchini in that or spinach. But since I'm not doing for me only, I'm not doing that for these. Sometimes you see me, and I might do that. I might actually, no, I'm not. I'm leaving them plain. I'm making 4 patties. That was a teaspoon of sea salt. One time I made the mistake of a tablespoon. So it's really a very plain, very ordinary chicken. And you cook them on medium, low and slow, because you don't want raw poultry. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. The pan I'm using is over there because it was the one I fried my eggplant in. So I'm moving over here real quick to add salt. Oh, I just added sea salt. I'm going to take that out. What a dum-dum. Okay. So it's a little less than a pound now. I hate salt, as you know. I'm going to add that, pepper, and I'm going to form 4 patties, and I'll be back. So while my chicken burgers are cooking in that pan over there, I'm going to show you how I assemble. I'm going to make up this as I go. This is a David's Killer hamburger bun. High in protein, high in fiber, good for you. I've got wishbone, light, whoop, that was a plop, a lot plop. Thousand Island dressing. You can make your own. Little ketchup, mustard, and relish. I've made my own a million times. I normally would have, but as I said before with all my videos today, I'm doing shortcuts. I have Swiss cheese. I'm putting a slice on each side. I've got my little corner oven heating up. I want the probiotics of sauerkraut. Yes, I'm putting my fingers right in it because there's only 1 eater of sauerkraut in this house. So this I'm going to bake in the oven and toast up while those burgers continue cooking. They're about to get flipped. And then Dave's going to have his with sauteed onions and lettuce. Chicken burgers. They're better for you. Well, they're good for you. They're just good for you. Would you try them? I'll be back. You guys. So I've got a chicken patty. Here's the bottom bun. I'm going to close her up. She's really hot. This is going to be really delicious. I could already tell. What? Boopity boop boop. That's it. We have a chicken burger Reuben. Melted Swiss, Thousand Island dressing, hot bun, hot sandwich. You know I won't eat this for a while. Dave's, I put barbecue sauce, and I'm going to give him 2. They're huge. It made 4 big patties. 2 for him. So I still have a patty left. He likes sauteed onions, so he gets sauteed onions. Oh gosh, guys, I'm sorry. This is hard to video. And I put all his onions on. I got 1 patty left I'll do something with. Put all his onions on. This is terrible. They're huge. It made 4 huge patties. Here's our barbecue sauce, onions. What do you think? Chicken burgers for the win. $3.50. Falling apart because I'm rushing. And I think he's going to love his. I'm going to love mine. You can't see them. That's a wrap. Would you make chicken burgers? You should try it. It's really a healthier version. I have made them with apples and Gouda stuffed in the burger. I have made them with cheddar and broccoli chicken burgers. You can put whatever you want in your burger. If it wasn't cooking for this guy, there would have been more nutrients in that burger. But that looks pretty darn good to me as far as being a Reuben. I'm going to put his in here under our microwave dish. He will have that. I'm going to have mine for my lunch. And that is a wrap for today. Have a great day.